Meyers, Clark Communications. Thanks for your chat yesterday. That was awesome. Really appreciate you taking the time to speak with me. You sound like a very interesting person with lots of experience. So I just wanted to put together a 5 or 7 minute quick video just to show you kind of what we do and what we've done. So the kitchen cabinet manufacturer that we've done work with for the last probably 18 or 19 months is Dowdle Cabinets here in North Bay. So it started with us building out this website. You can see it's got some pretty cool before and after sliders, which people enjoy. But you'll look at the site and you realize there's a lot of content on here. And the reason for that is Google loves words, and words are what help you rank. So this is the site that we put together, but this is the site that we also run paid traffic for. But we don't run it to this page, because if you're paying for traffic, you don't want to run it to a website because conversions aren't as high. See, a website informs and a landing page converts. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So basically what we do is, if you, maybe I'll show you a quick tip too. If you're searching for any competitor, so in this case, we'll search for Dowdle Cabinets on Facebook. Bottom right-hand side here, there's a thing called page transparency. If you click see more, it'll open up this window. And then if you click go to ad library, you're going to see what that company has running in the marketplace. And it could be Canada or the US or worldwide. So these are all the different ad sets that we have running for this client. And then we push them to a specific custom exclusive landing page that we've built for them to capture the lead information. That's the most important thing. I mean, this is what this page does. You notice at the top, there's no navigation, so they can't get confused, they can't get lost. The call to action is, listen, begin with a free kitchen or bathroom estimate, and we ask them for their information, and then we're also allowed to market to them down the road. And then this is just some more testimonials and a little bit more information for them to kind of base their decision on. So it's a very simple, easy structure that really works. So much so that here's the leads. I have to block this out for privacy, but we started this May 15th of 2018, and we generate approximately 10 to 15 leads per month for this client, and we have for the last year and a half. And just in January alone, there's 8 leads, and we're on the 14th. So I suspect we'll have 15, 16 leads by the end of this month. And we have the names, the numbers, and the emails. So then, within the first 5 or 10 minutes, the secretary reaches out to these people and books an appointment. And then the salespeople go in and establish the estimate. And again, they're closing between 1 and 3 of these deals every month. So, depending on the kitchen cost, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, whatever that looks like, I think they are very happy with the ROI, return on investment, with this campaign. So we do this in all types of different niches. So if I take a look at, if I take a look at, let's go here maybe. If I take a look at this one here, which is kind of debt restructuring, debt management, we run all kinds of ads for this company as well. And again, we drive into an exclusive page where it's all about the conversion. So in this case, this is a quiz, and quizzes work very, very well. But this is all about debt and debt restructuring and debt consolidation. And here we have them start this quiz, and it's about 9 steps. And then after that, we get their email, phone, and name. And then these people reach out to them. And again, very successful campaign that we're probably running about 20 to 30 leads per month for. And the ROI on this client is very happy as well. So that's the paid strategies that we work with. And then just to kind of give you an idea on the websites, I showed you the one. Here's another website that we built out. We're very creative when it comes to building out websites, but we also build them out with SEO in mind, where a lot of companies don't really factor in SEO. SEO is extremely important, but on page on the website has to be done correctly so that it can rank organically. And then we also do off-page SEO as well. So we are currently ranking a mining company in 4 different countries and 3 different languages. That's a 3-year contract, big project, but that's some of the stuff that we do. So this site here just went live just the other day. And again, it's really built to rank. It's got great information that the clients want, but it also has information for the search engines when they crawl it. So very important that we have enough keywords on here that you want to be found for, and it's set up correctly. So that's that one. I think I showed you this one here. We just finished this one a few months ago. This is the 4 Pillars website, the debt consolidation website. Again, lots of information here. We got calculators on here. We got lots of cool things, but websites are designed more so to inform the client, give them some testimonials and some credibility, and a landing page converts. So what we do simply is we decide on where to use the paid traffic, whether that's LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform that looks like. And then we bring them into a landing page to either give them some high value content, which could be a PDF, top 10 tips before you build out a kitchen, could be a video. And then hopefully we build the know you, like you, and trust you to get the information so that you can then reach out to them and market to them in a email automation campaign that we set up. So it's important once we secure the lead information that we go back to that lead information and maybe send them relevant quality offers over time, or not, up to you, but you've paid to capture their contact information. So it'd be great to put something in place that's automated that will continually remind them of you guys. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of reach out and show you that. Again, I really appreciate your time yesterday. Great chatting with you. Learned a lot. If I can ever help you out, just reach out. We're here. Clark Communications been around for I think about 17, 18 years now, and you can see us online as well at clarkcommunications.ca. No E. And my number here, mobile, is 705-491-2627. Ross, thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Talk later.